This tutorial will cover the steps needed to set up a user in MDsuite. Note, in order to complete this step you have to be an administrator level already. If you do not see the admin key as shown, you are not an admin user. Click on the admin key.
Click on Security Manager to open the Security Setup screen. Enter the operator information that the user will use to access MDsuite and press Tab to move to the next field. Enter a password. Re-enter the password and then click Allow Remote Logoff. Click the radio button to select per database user. If there is only one database, you will see this option only. We are going to set up this user as a provider. Click on Provider to assign the operator role as provider. We are going to want this provider to access restricted information in the EHR. Click to check May access restricted PHI. Likewise, if there are further restrictions on PHI in your EHR, click to check the Very Restricted Access. Next, we are going to review access permissions in the program. Click plus Clinical. Click plus Clinical. This is a list of all access you can assign to this user. On the right-hand side of the list is a copy feature. You can copy these settings from another provider to save time. Click on plus Practice Management and Scheduling. For this example, we are going to take away access to delete patient demographics. Click May delete demographics. Removing this checkmark will remove the access. Click plus Practice Management and Scheduling again to collapse this screen. Click on plus Custom Reports. Click Billing. If there are subheadings listed, like this example, you can uncheck the top level, and it will uncheck everything under the top heading. Next, we are going to click Visits by Procedure Code to select just this subheading. This will allow access to just the billing custom report Visits by Procedure Code. Click Save. We will cover linking a provider to an operator in the next session. Click OK.
That's it. We have completed setting up a new user in MDsuite.